Hello friends, here I am with super useful and unique tips to keep instant pot lid easily with pot and pot. As you know, pot and pot cooking in instant pot is so handy to cook multiple foods at a time. To get ideas what all bowls can be used for pot and pot, check my video from description below. Let's get started with these 10 tricks. This is when there is food on top rack like eggs, potatoes, sweet corn and lid is not sealing. If you notice the eggs are blocking the pressure valve, so move the eggs away from the pressure valve. Instant pot lid gets sealed fine now. If you notice top bowl is blocking the pressure valve here, the lid is not able to seal. So move bowls away from the pressure valve. Lid will be closed fine. This is with stacking different sized bowls. Here wide bowl on top leaves no space for pressure valve. Thus swap the bowls. Move wide bowl to bottom and narrow one to top. Now lid gets sealed fine as there is enough space for pressure valve. Whenever needed, reduce the height by keeping instant pot stand upside down. Stackable bowls with stand is enough. Instant pot stand is not needed again. Thus take off the instant pot stand to reduce the height. In this case, take off the instant pot stand. You can place bowls directly. Or you can also use these kind of trivets with less height. Stacking lid thickness also matters. Thus try thin lid or deep centered lid to reduce the height. Use same tricks with top bowl on trivet by moving bowl or food away from pressure valve like tip 1. Yogurt doesn't need instant pot lid as we don't use pressure cook mode. Thus you can use any other lid without worrying about sealing the lid. Keep air fryer safe rack upside down. Similarly, you can try stacking lid upside down. Hope you find my tips useful. See you again with many more awesome tips and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.